So I have a case, a binational case that I'll share. And one of it, they represented a young Venezuelan girl who was abandoned by her smuggler in Mexico City. We get a call that she has now been transported to Guadalajara and is staying with a family friend. Little girl had to be left in Venezuela because her mom died. Dad was never involved. Aunt had custody, but because aunt didn't have the proper paperwork in Venezuela to get her passport, couldn't get her out when the rest of the family fled. The little girl was then taken in by a family friend that basically subjected her to domestic servitude. We get her to Guadalajara, and then we try to have her present at the border in Tijuana because she has a right to seek asylum. She was detained by Mexican immigration. It took us advocating before Mexican immigration officials to inform, not immigration officials, but also like their equivalent of the Department of Children and Family Services, as to why it was in this best child's interest to be reunified with her only family member in the United States. She had no other family in any other part of the world than being left in child protective services in a different country. But it really took a binational effort in informing them as to U.S. law, to finally convincing them to letting the child travel to present and then be reunified. The girl is now with her family and is safe, and her family has legal status in the United States, right? But I want to use that as an example as to like, these are the types of cases that are happening all the time, right?